The SENA SF4 is the perfect device for providing connectivity while riding with small groups. The SF4's 4-way intercom has a range of over 1.2 kilometers or 0.8 miles, so you can easily stay connected with your group in open terrain. The SF4 also uses smartphone connectivity, allowing for music streaming, taking and making phone calls, and hearing turn-by-turn GPS directions. Most importantly, riders can listen to music and use the intercom simultaneously using the audio overlay feature. Plus, with the quick charging capabilities, you will be ready to start your ride in no time. Each SF4 comes with one standard and one HD speaker set. The HD speakers will take your ride to the next level with louder, clearer quality audio. The standard speakers are a bit smaller in size and may be a more comfortable choice for some riders. You can link the SENA SF4 Bluetooth device to the SENA SF Utility app, available for iPhone and Android, to easily configure device settings and quickly access guides. The SF4 Bluetooth device also connects to the SENA Ride Connected app, which allows for communication with a virtually limited amount of riders over an infinite range, so long as you are connected to a mobile network. The lithium polymer battery on the SENA SF4 gives you a talk time of up to 13 hours with a quick charging time of just 1.5 hours. A 30-minute charge can give you about 4 hours of intercom time. It's also one of the prettiest and slimmest SENAs we've seen and comes with a standard 2-year SENA India warranty, which also covers waterproofing damage. You can purchase your SENA SF4 or any other SENA by logging in to our website www.bachumotors.com. We ship free pan-India.